Oh, hey, Matt.
Hey, Olivia.
Lunchables. I love those. Can I please have one?
They're lunch kits, but go ahead.
Thanks, Matt.
Oh man, Lunchable! You gotta let me try one.
They're lunch kits, but sure.
Same thing, but even better, but thanks anyway.
We thought we smelled lunch
Kids, I sure would like to have one.
Fine, go ahead.
What about me?
You can have one too. Hey, you each took two.
Thanks, Matt.
Oh, I still have the cookies.
Welcome back to This Is Arlington, Arlington High School's student-produced television show. I'm Milan Bailey.
And I'm Ashtyn Gillespie. Without further ado, let's take a look at our top stories.
Our Arlington Tigers took on the Overton Wolverines last Friday and dominated the homecoming field with a 41-6 victory. During halftime, Maddie Dixon and Logan Hill were crowned as homecoming king and queen. Congratulations to our winners and all other members of the homecoming court. Arlington students also had the opportunity to attend the school's first ever homecoming dance downtown. We hope everyone had a wonderful homecoming weekend.
In honor of Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, Student Council, with the help of Princesses for Patients Club and the baseball team, raised over $1,200 for St. Jude at the football game on September 9th. They dressed up as iconic princesses and took pictures with the kids while they stood at the gate and collected money. Their selflessness has helped so many families in need put a smile on their faces.
Chilcot's Memphis Martial Arts is offering a self-defense class taught by and tailor-made for women. Now more than ever, women have to worry about their safety every time they step outside. We've all seen the news and witnessed the horrible things happening in our world. Chilcot's offers a chance for women to feel more confident walking the streets during these dark times.
The crossing of Arlington fills the need that the town has needed for many years. As the population grows, the need for amenities and public spaces also grows. Every Saturday morning, the crossing provides the town with a farmer's market that sells fruit and other things for people to buy and support small businesses and farmers. The crossing also provides the town with a safe park and a soccer program that has been extremely popular for all ages. It is so amazing to see the great things coming to Arlington.
Here at Arlington, we have many students that are special to our school. Tiger Life reporter Chris Beck brings us to one of our special students.
Thanks, Milan. As we all know, seniors are the top dogs, so obviously it's important to show them a little bit of love by learning more about them. Now let me introduce you to Phoebe Turner.
My name is Phoebe Turner and I'm a senior. Okay. In my free time, I drive around, I go to work, I spend time with my friends and read, I guess. I'm in Multicultural Club and Beta Club, and I'm also on the yearbook staff. For yearbook, I'm the organization's editor, which means that I'm in charge of all the clubs and organizations, so like choir, band, plus all the other things that aren't school sponsored. And so I interview them, I have write-ups, I talk to the teachers, and then I'm also doing the senior section, so all the cool special things the seniors get to do, like we just did the senior sunrise page, stuff like that. I get to school pretty early, and then all of my friends, we kind of collect into one of our cars, and then I go to class. I have a lot of classes with the same teachers, so I spend a lot of time in the same room. So we talk a lot, but I just go to class and then go to lunch and then go home. My favorite part of going to school is seeing my friends and going to yearbook. I love yearbook. I plan to go to App State in North Carolina and major in probably media studies or like marketing. Outside of school, I spend a lot of time with my friends. I really value like quality time. I also work at Sato in Lakeland a couple days a week. I really enjoy it. That's like it. I'm not talking about my job.
Do you know what Men in Hoodies is?
Yes, I do. I'm aware of the Men in Hoodies.
Is it a rap band?
I do know what Men in Hoodies is.
Men in Hoodies.
Isn't it a movie? It's a sequel to Men in Tights.
Mending hoodies? What is?
Men in Hoodies.
Men in hoodies.
A man wearing a hoodie?
A bunch of guys weightlifting.
It is two professional gentlemen who are very much into sports, and they bring you all of your sports news and needs.
Men in Hoodies that I know is the television show hosted by Jake Stoop and Britt Lyons to talk about all things sports.
Perfect.
That's perfect. That's you guys.
Yes, it is.
What do I think about the Men in Hoodies? I think, really, if the Men in Hoodies didn't exist, I don't know how I would go on. I mean, really, because whenever I'm having a hard day, you know, those days where you just don't want to get out of bed and just think, what would the Men in Hoodies do? And they would do what needs to be done. Success.
Pretty much none of you guys know what Men in Hoodies is, and that's a really big problem.
Yeah, it is. Thank you to Miss Buchanan for being one of our loyal fans. But if you want to know more about it or you haven't seen it yet, go to AHS Tiger Life on YouTube on this channel to check out more if you want to know more about Arlington Tiger Athletics.
Yeah, every 2 weeks we're going to take you into a deep dive on all things Arlington sports, whether it's documentaries, coaches interviews, player interviews, top 5 highlights, or even what's up next in Arlington sports. We pretty much have it all.
Yeah, that's for the Arlington sports. Men in Hoodies is expanding. We got some national sports as well.
Yeah, for national sports, we have a podcast on Apple, Spotify, and Anchor, hosted by myself, Jake Stoop, and Roman Cleary. If you don't know who Roman is, he was pretty much the voice of the Tigers for the past 4 years. He's now at Memphis, but we love doing the podcast with him. So,
Yeah, he's a legend, but we do that every week, and we'll drop an episode to you every week. So you've got Arlington Men in Hoodies twice a month, and then Men in Hoodies podcast 4 times a month.
And then on top of that, we have a website now. The Men in Hoodies website is kind of working on launching right now. Still a little small, so we're working out the kinks on that. But articles will be dropping all the time between me, Roman, and Jake, giving you a deeper dive into stuff we talk about on the podcast and just things that we're passionate about.
Yeah, if there's anything you want to know more about, all of these links will be in the description, and also Roman's a legend.
Oh yeah, for sure. And merch is coming. We might be the only ones to have it, but it's coming, and we wanted to make fun of it. So yeah, that's pretty much all we have to offer. So
if you want to know more about it, check it out. Maybe talk to us about merch if you want some. We'll see you next time.
Water chose me.
Hello, my name is Olivia Swietkowski, and I am reporting for This Is Arlington. This segment is called What Does Arlington Think? Fit Check Edition. We went around and talked to some Arlington students and checked out their fits. I'm wearing an Antonio Milani shirt and some American Eagle jeans. Let's see what the rest of Arlington is wearing.
We are here with
Joe Welch.
And what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing the official uniform of assistant principals all over the country. Joseph A. Banks button down, Banana Republic khakis, Rockport shoes, and a pair of kind of wild and fun socks that have the presidents on them.
All right, so basically I got this shirt off Shein. These pants was from Shein too. I got these shoes from StockX.
Got a white Champion hoodie, some blue shorts, and some worn out Crocs.
I got some socks, probably from a friend's house, I don't know. And then I got sweatpants that I found in my brother's room. I have an Arlington shirt on from Arlington.
Go Arlington.
I'm wearing some coaching apparel that is supplied to us by the coaching staff. My pants are Old Navy, and my shoes are from Dillard's.
Oh, I love Dillard's.
Me too.
I got this from Nordstrom. It's just a collar shirt, and then I got these from my friend.
H&M shirt.
some gray sweats, and the worn out Nike shoes.
I have a Azad from Azad Collection. My pants are Banana Republic, and shoes are by Clark's.
Okay, well, you're dripping today, Mr. Gibson.
I guess that's a good thing.
Yes, it is.
Those were some awesome Arlington outfits.
I think so too.
What is your day-to-day outfit?
Typically, I wear sweatpants and a hoodie, and even though they're uncomfortable, the Jordans look really good with the fit. What about you?
I really love wearing jeans and a cute shirt, but my day-to-day is probably just leggings and a hoodie. That's all we have today for This is Arlington.
Be sure to tune in next time for more stories from Arlington High School and the community.
While you're here, turn on post notifications to see when This is Arlington comes out with another episode. Be sure to check out the Men in Hoodies show on AHS Tiger Live and the Men in Hoodies podcast on Spotify, Apple, and Anchor.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.